Now, not only for the NDA, which is confident and is boasting of the return, the opposition in itself has got a confidence boost because in the number of increase in the seats. And therefore, even the India Bloc Alliance this time is charging at the government at the centre, at BJP specifically, over the portfolio allocation. They're angry and they are basically trying to put forth a taunt toward the Bharatiya Janata Party, claiming that the allies have been ignored, BJP will break the promises, and these alliances have been left in the lurch. From Congress parties, Jairam Ramesh using a washing machine metaphor against NDA. Then there is Tejashwi Yadav, who's taunting Bihar-centric parties like Janata Dal United and LJP, which are NDA allies, that they have been given lightweight ministries. And then National Conference leader Omar Abdullah, who's been part of the India bloc, has also targeted the NDA allies. And of course, how could TMC stay far behind? TMC leaders also targeting that Bengal ministers in reality are half-pant ministers. Let's listen into what precisely did these netas say and why are they so angry over portfolio allocation.
तुम्ही त्याची सगळी इथे भरून काढाल पुण्यामध्ये एवढी आपल्याला मनापासून शुभेच्छा देते. मंत्रीपद मिळाले पुण्याला त्याचा आम्हाला आनंद आहे, पण त्याचा उपयोग कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरला न होता पुणेकरांना व्हावा एवढी अपेक्षा.
जिस हिसाब से विभागों का जो बंटवारा हुआ, हालांकि ये तो प्रधानमंत्री का है कि किसको क्या विभाग देते हैं. काम किसी भी विभाग में होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो बिहार की वजह से आप प्रधानमंत्री बने और मंत्रालय जब बिहार के लोगों को दिया गया तो कहीं ना कहीं से झुनझुनना जो है थमाया गया.
पिछले 2019 में भी 18 संसद मिलने के बाद भी एक भी कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर बंगाल को नहीं मिला था. इस बार 12 सीट मिलने के बाद भी एक भी कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर बंगाल को नहीं मिला. इससे यह साबित होता है कि बंगाल बीजेपी का नजर में कभी नहीं है. बंगाल का डेवलपमेंट करने का सोच बीजेपी का कभी नहीं है. बंगाल का डेवलपमेंट ममता बनर्जी द्वारा ही होगा.
मोदी जी ने बिल्कुल जैम्बो कैबिनेट बनाया है और ये इस बात का संकेत है कि वो सबको संतुष्ट करना चाहते हैं. उनको इस बात का डर है कि जो उनके सहयोगी है या जो उनके गठबंधन के लोग हैं वो उनको संतुष्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जिस तरह से मेरा ख्याल है कि पूरे बिहार को इग्नोर किया गया. कोई भी अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो जिसको हम कह सकते हैं जो जिससे बिहार को फ़ायदा होता, बिहार के लोगों को फ़ायदा होता, वैसा कोई भी पोर्टफोलियो नहीं दिया गया है और हल्के फुल्के पोर्टफोलियो दिए गए हैं. तो उससे हमको लगता है कि बिहार के साथ एक तरह से प्रधानमंत्री ने नाइंसाफी की है.
India Today's Amit Bhardwaj joins me live for the latest on that. Amit, it's very interesting how the opposition suddenly has had this sort of revival in charging at the government as well, even on portfolio allocation. But how should we see this? Do you think it's more of a prick toward the allies this time?
Pooja, you know, the opposition parties or India bloc will continue to attack the government on different fronts, and this is yet another opportunity that they have gotten on this particular issue. You know, they're saying that the lightweight ministries or inconsequential ministries are being given to the NDA allies, and to be precise, to the JDU and TDP in this particular case. And that is being said because of the fact that both JDU and TDP were eyeing for ministries which could actually translate into bringing development to their states. You know, in case of JDU, look at what the senior minister Rajiv Ranjan or Lalan Singh has gotten. He's taking charge of the Panchayati Raj ministry. So the RJD or Mahagathbandhan in Bihar will say as to how this is going to bring development to Bihar, how this will contribute to the development of Bihar. On the other side, the Telugu Desam party, which is this biggest ally of the BJP in this particular regime, they were probably looking for ministries such as ports, water, Jal Shakti, you know, urban development or IT ministry, because any of these ministries would have meant bringing more investment and resources for Andhra Pradesh. But the senior minister from TDP, Ram Mohan Naidu, is to take charge of the civil aviation ministry. It is an elite ministry, Pooja. We must tell this to our viewers that it's an elite ministry in any government. Civil aviation ministry is a very important ministry. But, you know, again, the arguments will be made out by the India bloc that look as to what will this translate into, because there are expectations from the NDA allies,
Yes.
and the results are different. That's what the India bloc will definitely try to
Amit, keep
build a
tracking the
narrative
latest.
upon.
It's
Back to you.
interesting. That's perhaps, it is reflective of the days to come, that there will be a coalition government and then there will be a strong opposition that will continue to target the government on different issues. For now, it's the portfolios to begin with. Meanwhile, while the political showdown as well, ministers are starting to take charge. Some have retained their previous ministries. Some have been given fresh opportunities. The latest is Giriraj Singh. Earlier had the Panchayati Raj Ministry. He's right now taking charge of the Textiles Ministry that he has fresh opportunities with.